Welcome to Kontiki Hotel. Welcome to Kontiki Bamboo Works. Please follow me.
You can imagine this one knot, you make a cup. So as a farmer, you know how many bamboo are coming from and what?
If you have land more than 2 acres, please come and grow bamboo. We have the seedlings, we are supplying the seedlings. Come to Kontiki Bamboo Works and you join us. We make a team of bamboo growers.
What really encouraged me was the issue of the factory, because I knew if I grow the bamboo, he'll buy it from me. And we've continued and we are going to continue. It doesn't need the herbicides, it doesn't need the pesticides, you know, to kill the pests and all the rest. He said it grows, okay?
Yeah, we already have a factory right now. We are producing toothpicks, we are producing blinds which you can use for curtains. We are producing chairs, we are producing beds. Please come and buy yourself a bed made out of bamboo.
These leaves falling down, it's money. You can try to make silage and hay for cows, for goats. Who will buy? But I'm telling you now, in the next coming few years, I'll make organic manure. Just pick this one. When you're in primary school, you read science, the worms. The worms making, breaking. So you have just a compost, you can do it in your own place. Just make a compost, take a move to ready worms, then you packaging. The issue is branding, and packaging. If I buy for you at 3,000, just giving you minimum. You have bought one seedling, $1, 4,000 shillings. You plant in an acre, 200. You have put only 800,000 in an acre. And when you are planting, you are doing intercropping. You are putting there because you're doing 5 by 4. So I'm told Kinana, and I've told you after 4 or 5 years, you can make 12. What's expensive?
Hey.
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
Oh, I have coffee, I have avocado, I have bamboo. So, I'm keen to do.
So at the end of the day, it's about what you want to do with the bamboo. When you say 10,000 uses, they are there. You want to make clothes, make the bigger locations. But at the end of the day, you can imagine, you see these are gappings. These are, I added them at different times. Just this illustration. Now, this bamboo in the coming 3-5 years will be factories. You don't see it. For you are seeing bamboo, me I'm seeing because a big extending. For those who have been to Hoima Road, Kakiri, the Chinese came there with a very small factory. Kakiri, you have seen it in the valley? It's now very huge. So me, I see all the place being a factory. Different making flooring boards, making different things with big bamboo. Yes, administration. That's what I see. Now you can imagine, if when I told the people, when there was nothing, it was 0 bush, I won't plant a bamboo, please plant a bamboo. This man is mad. Now this I can try to show people a bit of, no? Give us 3-4 years down the road. When you come back here, it'll be different. I hope. So plant. Then we can talk about bamboo.
Nkabyara bamboo, emibanda, emisekaseke, habo burungi bwayo. Ekyokubanza kyesiise itaka. Ekyakabiri erinamu emigaso nyingi. Ebikora byakusula kulibwa empunu, nkoko, nte, embuzi, kandi okusula kuyamu nebikwato bindi. Muno ate bibira mulingo bigenzere. Emibande eno emisekaseke, bambu, niwe bikujja kufoka bibira byomaiso. Bambu yemyera myaka nyingi tobutwali bato tukasangawo bambu zino emibanda. Abantu bagirimire kandi hati ekindi ngokutwagenda obuhangwa kubwagenda nibusisikara obucukuba cabyera ebintu binu nicyo tukufwerwa kandi ogubyara omyaka ena etano nosangwa oyiremu ekyorehamu okoramu entebe okwiyamu enku okwiyamu ebintu bingi ebikwato bingi.
Now we want to do what they call an oxygen pack. Where you are here now, you are getting more oxygen than any other piece of tree, 35%. You are absorbing carbon. Bamboo absorbs carbon more than any other piece of tree or grass. Bamboo is a grass. So we shall make Kontiki bamboo oxygen pack. Muzungu will just come here or to see to get oxygen. You know COVID? People are looking for oxygen. You remember? So things to do with tourism, eco-tourism. We are going to put cottages, things around there, everything made from bamboo.